Welcome to 52nd session of Advanced Financial Management, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, let us discuss problems on estimating working capital. Recap of previous session. In the previous session, we discussed preparing aging schedule, debtor turnover ratio and economic order quantity. Now let us discuss a problem. ABC Limited sells its product on a gross profit of 20% on sales. The following information is extracted from its annual accounts for the year ended 31st March 2008. Sales, raw material, wages 15 days in arrears, manufacturing expenses 1 month in arrears, administration expenses 1 month in arrears, sales promotion expenses payable half yearly in advance. These items are given. Now, the company enjoys 1 month's credit from suppliers of raw materials and maintain 2 months stock of raw material and 1.5 months finished goods. Cash balance is maintained at rupees 1 lakh as a precautionary balance. Assuming a 10% margin, find out the working capital requirements of ABC Limited. Cost of sales for computation of debtors and stock of finished goods may be taken at sales minus gross profit as per rate of gross profit given. Solution. Statement of working capital requirements. First we have to take current assets. Stock of raw materials 12 lakhs into 2 divided by 12, that is rupees 2 lakhs. Stock of finished goods at cost 40 lakhs into 80 divided by 100 into 3 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 12, that is rupees 4 lakhs. That is, as gross profit is 20% on sales, so cost is 80% of sales. Now next one, debtors at cost 40 lakhs into 80 divided by 100 into 3 divided by 12, that is 8 lakhs. Advance payment of sales promotion expenses 2 lakhs into 6 divided by 12, that is 1 lakh. Cash balance rupees 1 lakh. Total current assets are 16 lakhs. From that, less current liabilities. First one, creditors for raw materials 12 lakh into 1 divided by 12, that is 1 lakh. Wages outstanding 15 days taken for half month in arrears 9,60,000 into 1 divided by 24, that is rupees 40,000. Manufacturing expenses outstanding 12 lakh into 1 divided by 12, that is 1 lakh. Administration expenses outstanding 4,80,000 into 1 divided by 12, that is 40,000, and the total current liabilities are 2,80,000. Net working capital is 13,20,000. From that we have to add 10% margin for contingencies. 13,20,000 into 10 divided by 100, that is 1,32,000. Working capital required is 14,52,000. Thank you.